Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you with 9 methods to open Settings app on Windows 11. So let me start without any delay. First one is keyboard shortcut. For that, you need to press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. I will paste all these details, shortcut keys or any command that are used in this video description. Next one is a start menu. For that, click on this one, a start button, and here you need to click on this one, settings. Next one is Windows search. For that, you can use either a start button or this one, search button, and then type settings. After that, click on this one, settings app, to open Windows 11 settings on your PC. Next one is quick settings. For that, you need to click on this one icon, and here you will see a settings icon. Clicking on this will also open settings app on Windows 11. Next one method is run command box. You can also open settings app through run box. For that, press Windows and R key on the keyboard. Here type ms hyphen settings and colon. After that, you can press enter key on the keyboard or click on this one OK button. Next one is through desktop context menu. For that, right click on any free space and select here personalize. This will also open settings app. Next one is file explorer. For that, you can press Windows plus E key on the keyboard. This will open file explorer on your PC. Here delete everything from this one address bar and type ms hyphen settings and then colon. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Next one is through taskbar. You can quickly access settings app by right click on the free space on the taskbar and here select taskbar settings. Last one method is through quick links menu. For that, right click on the start button or you can also press Windows plus X key on the keyboard and after that here select settings. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, please subscribe, and if you are old subscriber, then you should press thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.